Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Glean AI. Glean AI is an intelligent platform designed to streamline accounts payable operations. It allows businesses to manage, approve, and monitor invoices using AI-powered insights. The system automates invoice reviews and detects irregular or unexpected spending. Bills can upload it manually or synced from accounting tools. It continuously monitors vendors' behavior and flags contract-related red flags. Glean AI also spots duplicate invoices and policy violations. Its dashboard offers finance teams and CFOs full visibility into vendors' expenses. Rather than just showing invoice number, it provides decision-making content. The pricing model adjusts based on company size, transaction load, and team needs. To book a demo, users must submit their contract information and indicate how they heard about the tool. Glean AI integrates smoothly with platforms like NetSuite, QuickBooks, and more. In summary, Glean AI enhances AP efficiency with smart automation and spend intelligence. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.